카리스마 넘쳐 너의 움직임 우리 잘 맞는 것 같아 Girl, kinda same like we got chemistry, same energy I can see us make history 빙빙 돌아가듯이 You are goddess like Venus, I be orbiting
our morning with test. So yummy.
My God.
Let's do it together. I have none. I have scoliosis. Scoliosis.
I was trying to make the electric.
Are you gonna have the audio on for these? It will depend.
Mine is, it's giving wimpy.
But we don't hear you see your arms.
I'll do that.
Sasha, your turn.
There's no way.
She's not having it.
I want to eat my sandwich, please.
Alright, so I just finished my workout and I went to Rev'd, which is like a spin class in Boston, but they have locations everywhere. I had breakfast already, so I'm home kind of late. My class is at 7:30. Now it's 9:44 and I'm gonna go take a quick shower and get ready for the day, but it's my first day being a fully... Okay, I'm not fully graduated, I have finals, but I have plans with my friend Jane today that I'll bring you guys along with. And tonight there's a concert on campus, Ali and AJ, so I think I'm going to that at 7, but we'll see. And then tonight, I'll bring you guys along with me on a night out on a Thursday. So yeah, I just need a shower, so I feel less gross.
Feel like falling deeper Cold nights 난 너무 싫어 기다리기에는 너무 길어 줬던 내 사랑이 식어 기대만 하는 것도 난 힘들어 No I can't, just can't 가져 내 맘을 놔줘 내 가슴을 다 바쳐 사랑하기에 자신이 너무
Yeah, my hair looks kind of short. It's my first layer. I'm taking a million years to get ready. What is wrong with me? I think this is the look today. This little dress, and I think I'm gonna wear boots. I just don't know which ones, so. Blue? Yeah, probably these. Thanks! Your outfit's so cute. I almost wore my gray blazer. No, you're cute. But me and Jane are off to lunch. emoji.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it matches my makeup and my outfit today. There's like one of the fillings of like a moon cake.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
lotus.
that's the lotus, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this. They have so many plushies. That's so cute. Did you buy this one?
I did not.
What? It's so cute. Wait, there's a Pachaco one. Wait, I want one.
This is atrocious. I don't need it. But actually, Sasha, like, she put her
Rings in it.
Should I go?
I didn't want to get one. I got these little blind boxes.
Wait, I think this is a cup.
This feels like a cup. Yeah.
Yeah, because like with this one, it was like
Blue.
yeah.
This is definitely a cup. I don't see the clips either. They're supposed to be like in a little like silver baggie. With the bows!
Like, I'm surprised you're not getting it.
I can't.
Like, it's so new.
Don't enable me. They're really good?
Like,
I feel like this whole glitter palette. Oh, is it good?
but it's like the glitter is like
Oh, I don't need any more wine. These are the ones. The little funny angels.
you have like
My collection is set. I think I'm gonna get peach oolong. Yeah. Jane's favorite character, Cimarron.
Summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough.
Hello.
Northeastern's finest.
Okay, Thursday, reporting live. This is horrible.
KTVU
The scene looks
channel
horrible.
118.
What is this? What is this for?
I have yet to report that
I have been at the scene for 2 hours.
officially I'm not going in. Let me pass it on to you, Carl.
This is Carl. We're actually going crazy. I'm gonna go home. Happy hour. And the 50 people behind me. Her.
Period.
Oh, back.
Going home.
Going home.
Going home. One thing about me, if I'm not having fun, I'm going home because
We're going home.
who are we to look like fools standing in that line any longer?
We were already looking like fools.
Hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm thirsty.
See, that's what I'm talking about. That's how they do business over there.
The last clip of my vlog.
Laughing. Here in the West, it's steel points,
I'm the only man
Oh yeah,
surviving.
yeah. I definitely prefer how they do business.
Man number
Over
2.
there.
We ended our night by not going to Ohi, and we're back at my apartment. It is 12:30, and that is the end of my first day as a non-student, even though I should have studied. Excellent.
Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough. Take apart all the good things, stripped away